How often should I replace my HVAC filter? Most homeowners should replace their HVAC filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on the type of filter, how much the system runs, and whether there are pets or allergies in the home. Think of your HVAC filter like a tiny screen door that catches dust, pet hair, and other tiny particles before they get pulled into your heating and cooling system. If that screen gets clogged up with too much gunk, air cannot flow through it easily anymore, which forces your system to work way harder than it should. This extra strain can raise your energy bills and even cause the system to wear out faster than normal. A cheap flat filter usually needs to be swapped out every 30 days, while a thicker pleated filter can often last around 90 days. Something a lot of people do not realize is that a dirty filter does not just hurt airflow, it can also let more dust and allergens circulate through your home instead of trapping them. A simple trick is to write the date you installed the filter directly on the filter frame with a marker, so you always know exactly when it went in. One common mistake is assuming that a more expensive filter with a higher rating automatically means better performance for every home, when actually a filter that is too restrictive can choke your system if it was not designed for that level. A good tip is to check your owner's manual to see what filter rating your specific system can actually handle. Another mistake is forgetting to check the filter simply because it is out of sight and out of mind, so setting a recurring reminder on your phone can help a ton. Some people also think bigger homes always need pricier filters, but really it comes down to your household's specific air quality needs, like pets or allergies, not just square footage. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.